Good morning, dear students. In English literature, today we will read chapter 14, The Goat on the Cliff. Children, before starting the chapter, I want you to repeat these words after me. BL sounds like blue. Black, blue. CL sounds like cliff. Cliff, climb, cling. FL sounds like flow. Fled, fling and flock. So these are the words I want you to pronounce again and again. Now we'll begin with the chapter. Ravi was sitting near a cliff with his flock of sheep and goats. Cliff means, children, a high mountain, a high rock. Flock means a group of animals or even the birds. So, Ravi was sitting near a cliff with the flock of his sheep and goat. It means, children, Ravi was a shepherd and he looked after his sheep and goats. Suddenly, he saw a wolf not far away from him. It means he saw that a wolf is approaching towards him. And he got up quickly and ran to fling stones at the wolf. Fling means throw. Look at this picture, children. This is Ravi and he is trying to shoo the wolf and he is throwing the stones at the wolf. So Ravi then came back to his flock. He saw one of his little black goats running up the cliff. So children, while he was busy with the wolf, he did not know that one of his little black goats was running up the cliff. A cliff means a high rock and it can be dangerous for anyone to stand at a cliff because if you fall off a cliff, anyone can die or have major injuries. So Ravi already knew about it. This is why he went after the goat to save it. The wind was blowing very fiercely. Fiercely means very strongly. At that time, Ravi was thinking fast what he should do. Ravi called the goat back again and again, but it went up higher and higher. Poor little goat, said Ravi. It will fall over the cliff. I must go up the cliff and bring it down. It was very difficult for him to climb up. He had to cling to a big heavy stone. Cling means, children, hold on tightly to reach the goat. At last, he reached the goat. He picked it up and was full of joy. He put it across his shoulders and came back to the flock. Since the wind was blowing very strongly, children, Ravi was getting worried because it would make the goat fall off the cliff very easily. Ravi decided to go up the cliff to save it. He showed a lot of courage and without worrying about himself, he was going up just to save the little goat. You can see Ravi is also a small boy, but still he is trying to save his little goat. And it was very difficult to climb up for Ravi. Still, he did not give up, children. He was very brave boy. At last, he found the goat and got very happy because he had a great concern and lot of affection towards his goat. He brought it back to the flock safely. Now you can see in this picture the way he is carrying his goat on his shoulder, children. This story teaches us a great lesson through the example of Ravi, that there can be tough circumstances when we are given a responsibility, and sometimes we might have to selflessly think about the safety of someone else more than our own self. This story teaches us to be attentive, responsible, brave, and affectionate. So this is all about the lesson today, children. I hope you enjoyed the story. So children, this is the work for today. We will do difficult words and who said the following. Please repeat after me to learn the correct pronunciation. Cliff, flock, fling, flet, cling. Fiercely, reach, across, climb, blow. Higher, stone, black, wind, and joy. Now, who said the following? Poor little goat. Who said it in the lesson? Ravi said. It will fall over the cliff. Who said this? This is also the statement of Ravi. So, Ravi said. Now, do this work in your English literature notebook number 1, children. Take care. Thank you.